Good morning. Happy Saturday. I need to put some more bird seed in the bird feeder. I apologize about not posting videos. My dog passed away and I had to grieve. It's kind of sad. But anyways, I'm gonna put this bird seed in here. And this morning when I opened up the door, there was like 6 doves down here. So I want to put some fresh bird seed in. I'm gonna pause it for a little bit here. All right, so I got it down and everything looks good. The bottom was a little bit wet, so I cleaned it out. Anyways, here we go. Perfect. Cool. All right. I guess I'll make this longer than a short because I'm not editing it. I'm just gonna pop it out there. Anyways, get the lid back on. Don't fall. There goes. Cool. All right, we're good to go. Put the little secondary clip on. Just keep anything from double knocking it. All right, cool. Appreciate you watching, liking, and subscribing. Oh, there goes the cup. All right, cool. Anyways, hope everyone has a great day. Enjoy your weekend. I'm cheering for the Eagles this weekend. And anyways, this is me. Take care. There's the roses, the geranium. Yep, all's good.